Hey everybody, my name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Every winter it gets very cold. I live in New England and we have to talk about where and how to store these battery operated lawnmowers. Now with gasoline lawnmowers, or I guess internal combustion, there's a lot you have to do for the carburetor, fuel injection, whatever, how you store the fuel. But with batteries you got to do sort of the same thing. This one over here, this is a lead acid battery. There's not much you're going to do with this. You just really need to set it, forget it. When you get it ready for the next year, make sure you sharpen, you clean everything, you oil everything up. You're kind of good to go. But this is a lithium ion and the batteries are different. So whenever we hit the bonnet, you can see under here we have 1, 2 batteries, and then over here we have batteries as well, and these are 3 batteries. These are big batteries. Right here, a couple 12 amps, 6 amp, and then over here we've got one more 12 amp hour battery. You really need to take all of these batteries out before you store it. Now, here's a snowblower. With this snowblower, you're going to be using this throughout the winter time, right? All your batteries go in here. I don't have any batteries in here right now. Now, the reason why I say that is because lithium-ion batteries, the cells do not like the cold, and it will degrade them to a certain point, and it will drain these all the way so low that you're not going to be able to charge the battery. With that being said, get your batteries, bring them inside, store them inside. Don't store your batteries inside your snowblower either. Keep them inside when you're going to use it. Bring them outside, use it, bring them back in. Alright, so grab all your super expensive batteries, get out there, get them inside, and then you're going to be ready for winter and eventually the spring, because the winter always passes. Till next time, my name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Happy wintering. We'll see you in the snow.